move forward to this feature, Mould Detection Summary. This is a quite new feature as well. It shows devices with higher risk of mold risk. Here we have Mould Index for the last 12 hours and some really quick overview of the percentage of the Mould Index. And then here we have a graph showing the temperature, humidity, and mold risk. And both this data and this data, it's an aggregation for all the devices that have temperature and humidity sensors in this building. And here on the right side, they're shown only the devices that are with higher risk. For example, this device, it's an HT device. It has a mold index of 42, which is slightly higher than it should be. And when you click here on check all devices, you have an overview page of the mold risk for the last 12 hours for all devices. So when you have some devices that are of high risk, they will show up here. And then you have an overview of devices here. And when you click on the devices, you can see this one is not aggregated of all devices, but for this specific device for the last 12 hours. So you can gain some insights of what is going on. And for example, for this device, we can see that actually the humidity is quite high. So this is why the mold index is higher. Of course, there's a whole algorithm calculating the risk. It's not only based on the humidity, but still the humidity is a main role in this. But here we have the experience that many users are kind of getting worried when they see that their building is at slightly higher risk. So this is why we actually disabled it, and it's not open by default. So you need to click here just to see more information about the Mould Detection Summary, just so you have it in mind. So yeah, so we have the aggregated data here for the whole building for all devices that have temperature and humidity sensors, and then you have the high-risk devices, and here the overview for all devices.